Hello learners, greetings from iSec to Learn, well known for better education and for better careers. I'm your tutor, Dr. S.V. Nathani. In this session, we are focusing on data science versus artificial intelligence versus machine learning. The main objective of this video is to differentiate the terms data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence with examples. So now we will discuss these three terms in a particular aspect. So what is the difference between these three? First of all, we need to understand these three terms are connected with each other. Even though these three terms are connected, they do have some specific meaning and applications. Nowadays and in future also, these terms are overlapped, but each of these terms has unique uses of its own. This is the broadly, if you're classifying these three terms, these are connected. Even though if they are connected, they do have specific meaning and applications. And these three terms are overlapped, even though they are unique. This is actually the broad categorization of the data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. So now we will discuss one by one each. So the data science, it is a new buzz in the industry. Actually, what does a data scientist do? Data scientist will play with the data, and this makes it hottest, trending, and excited job in the 21st century. The demand of data scientists increased now by 70% because the production of terabytes of data. If the data increases, the demand also will increase. According to Forbes, we are producing 2.5 quintillion bytes of data every day in the current pace. That means 2.5 billion gigabytes. Just imagine how much we are providing. That is how much we are producing the data every day. So this is only, I'm talking about the 1 day data, right? So if you're considering about the 1 week data, or 1 month, or 1 year, so we can't even imagine how much data we are producing. If this is the speed of producing the data, what will happen in near future if you're talking about the 10 years of data? For the fun fact here, I'm giving you the examples. What will happen in a 1 minute of our world? Google is conducting 38 lakhs approximately searches. Amazon makes 25 lakhs dollars sales in 1 minute. And the Uber takes this many rides, and the Tinder uses these many matches. It is a dating app. And Spotify streams 750,000 songs, and 12 lakhs, I think 129 lakhs of texts will be sent. Twitter uses these many searches, tweets, and YouTube uses these many videos watching, and Snapchat users share these many snaps and charts. So this is about what I'm saying is 1 minute in our world. This is what happening. In a 1 week, what will happen? In a 1 year, what will happen? This is, I'm leaving for your imagination. So everywhere it is the data. Data is very important and crucial. Okay. And after all, we are caring about a small mobile data also. If you're purchasing a new mobile, we will be asking ourselves, so do we have the backup? If we want to purchase a new laptop also, everywhere we will discuss about, so we do have the backup, no? Is our mobile syncing with the Google Drive is to have all the data? So if you're after caring about a small mobile data, what organizations and companies will think about their data? So data is the crucial. If data is crucial, data science is also crucial, and data scientist also crucial. So after acquiring the data, the question is, how can we analyze the data? If you're simply analyzing, if you're not getting any values from the data, there is no meaning of analyzing it. So how can we process it? How can we provide a valuable information? And who will clean the data? Who identifies the valuable patterns, hidden patterns, and trends in that particular data? So these are all the questions. So the answer to all that particular questions, the above question, so that is only one answer, that is data scientist. Actually, the data scientist will analyze the data. It is a combination. This data science uses, that means the data scientist use a combination of tools, applications, principles, and algorithms to make the sense of random data clusters. That means in 90s, if you're talking about the 90s, that means the data is in structure format. At that time, we will think about only the structure format. Nowadays, the data is in different formats. That means structured, unstructured, video, audio, text. So many formats are available, and big data came, that means variety and velocity of data. So the random, from the random data clusters, if data scientists can make it useful, that means values from that particular data can driven. So it is a good one. So that is why this is the hottest and trending and sexiest job in the 21st century. Now, if you're talking about the scope of the data science, there will be two types. That is, one is the predictive causal analytics. And if you're talking about the predictive, that means it will, from the particular, from the data, you can predict. That means you can forecast your business trends actually. So that means if you're talking about one particular company, after 20 years, what will be the growth rate of this particular company? And if you're talking about the agricultural data predicts, that means what will be the yield data we can predict. Anything, if you want to forecast the data, forecast the trend, then that is called the predictive causal analytics. Actually, it is an effective model for business trying to understand the future of the any new business move. And next one is the that is prescriptive analytics. That is, actually, in this, the prescriptive analysis uses the inferences from the predictive model. Actually, what we have predicted, we can take the summary of that, we can prescribe our business. That is, actually, if you want to achieve the goal, if you I want to get the 25% of the growth rate, so what type of model I need to develop? If you're talking about the college or universities, like institutional development plans, this is actually the prescriptive analysis. To achieve the goal, what type of methodology I need to follow? So this is actually the prescriptive analysis. So predictive analytics and prescriptive analysis, these are the two scope areas of the data science. So now we are talking about the artificial intelligence. Actually, artificial intelligence enabling the machines without interaction with the humans. That means replicating the human intelligence. The machines needs to think like humans, need to act like humans. We need to create that type of machines. This is actually the artificial intelligence. So the scope of artificial intelligence is automation is easy with artificial intelligence. That means everywhere we need to automate. That is automatic washing machines, automatic. I'm just giving you one small examples. Autopilot. So automatic driven driving cars. So these are all the automation we are doing with artificial intelligence. Automatic robots will do, and delivery agents. So nowadays in US and somewhere I have seen that Amazon using the robots as a delivery agents. So in my daughter is studying in Arizona State University. There in university, everywhere, if you want to deliver any item, so robots will do, okay, delivery work as a delivery agent. Okay, so automation in everywhere using the artificial intelligence, it will be easy. And the second is intelligent products. That means intelligent products means, that is like Siri, if you're talking about so it will ask, it will give you the summary of today's weather and all. So like intelligent products we can produce. And progressive learning, that the natural language processing you are doing, that means if you want to translate the one from one language to another language very effectively, using like the touch with the natural language, the progressive learning. So this is the scope of the artificial intelligence where we can use the artificial intelligence. So now the third term is the machine learning. It is a subsection of the artificial intelligence. It will train your system to think automatically. It will give you the some patterns, hidden patterns, and it will give you some trends and some patterns, okay, using particular algorithm of statistical tools or some algorithms. It will apply, and the machines will think about themselves with the training and without the training. It will give you particular trend or aspects, hidden trends or particular patterns it will give you. That is actually the machine learning. Okay, so the systems can automatically learn and improve from the experience. Okay, so that is the term machine learning. Actually, it is the subsection of the artificial intelligence. So in this, three components are available in machine learning: supervised machine learning. That means from the historical trend, we can predict the one thing. If I want to purchase one house in this particular area, so I can collect the 10 years of data. I can predict in this area if the house is having these many parameters, if the house is in corner, if the house is the space, if the house is having 6 rooms, then I can predict one price. Okay. So from where I'm predicting? From the historical data. Okay. So that is a supervised. And unsupervised means without giving any data. That means we are giving the data, but without giving them some label. So I need to predict this one. I need to, the output we don't know. That means we need to get the, that is predict the trends. So if I'm giving you a simple example, so in Spotify, I just want to know the patterns. That means which user is listening the more songs from about which singer. So I like to know the pattern. So if Sonu Nigam is the favorite singer for many majority of the users, then I can provide the list. So these patterns, if you want to identify automatically, I'm not giving you the output. Okay, from the Spotify, you need to analyze the data. That analysis also, I need to find the in my own trends. I'm not giving you the label. The only the particular singers you need to identify, only the particular patterns you need to identify. The system will identify on its own. That is unsupervised machine learning algorithm. And after that, reinforcement machine learning, this means actually the system without training. It will, from the experience, it will learn. That means if I'm playing the chess, so by practice, I will be better player. So like that system also will understand from if it is a wrong move, so it will get the punished. It will be lost the game. So from that experience, it will learn more and more with a trial and error, finally leads to long-term rewards. The reinforcement learning, that means it will go forward, and whether it is correct, then go forward, otherwise come back and again learn it. Okay, so that is the reinforcement machine learning which is having. These are the three components in the machine learning. So I hope you can understand what is the broader terms, what is data science, what is artificial intelligence, and what is machine learning. Now the relationship between these three aspects, that is actually the data science will use all these combinations. Artificial intelligence is a, machine learning is a subset of the artificial intelligence, and in machine learning the deep learning is the still subset of that. And this is the relationship between these fields. And now we're talking about the difference between these three areas. Actually, artificial intelligence make a smarter computer system to work just like humans to solve the complex problems. It is actually the work of artificial intelligence. Machine learning, it is a subset of artificial intelligence. It will help to predict or classify the outcomes of the data with some algorithms, statistical algorithms it will use. And data science will create the insights of the data, deals with the real world complexities. That means these are interrelated. These three terms, we can't classify it. This is artificial, this is a machine learning, this is data science. Actually, data science will play with the data. So with the data only, the machine learning will classify the data. And with the data only, it will the artificial intelligence will work, that system will act like a human. So actually, this is about the artificial machine and data science. So artificial intelligence will it will focus on the developing the new algorithms. Okay, it won't use the existing algorithm. With existing algorithms, we need to create one new algorithm to automate the whole process. But it is only focused on the algorithm statistic. Actually, existing algorithms, the machine learning will use, whether it is a supervised or unsupervised or reinforced, it will classify the trends. But data scientist is a broader term, that is data science. It will focus on the algorithms, all the algorithms and statistics, and also takes care of the data processing. And the examples are chatbots, voice assistants are like Siri. These are the popular applications of AI. And the recommendation systems such as Spotify, facial recognition are the popular examples of machine learning. And Netflix uses the data science technology. Okay, so these are the broader classification, that is difference, artificial, machine, and data science. So there we need to answer some questions. So that means, are machine learning and data science are the same? Actually, if you're comparing, these are the two different aspects, but these are interrelated. So the machine learning and data science are the different. The machine learning will do some other things, and data science will do with the data. It will do the machine learning already existing data, cleaning data. It will apply some algorithms. It will give you the trends. But data science, before that, it needs to take care of the data. What type of data I need to acquire, I need to get. So after that, what type of the cleaning process I need to apply? This the data science term. Which is better, machine learning or data science? Actually, both are equally good, but in majority of the companies, data science is the trending field, and all the companies still need to acquire, that is machine learning process also they are acquiring, but they're not appointing the machine learning engineers in all the companies. Data science is the majority data scientist everywhere in every company. Nowadays, they are appointing the data scientists. So is data science required for machine learning? Yes, these are the two interrelated films. At least a specific, the basic knowledge of the data science. If you are doing the machine learning, you need to understand what is basically data is, data science cleaning process, data cleaning process. The basic requisition of the both fields are required if you want to become a data science engineer, data scientist, or machine learning engineer. Who wants more? That means data scientist or machine learning engineer. This is a little bit tougher question. So that means nowadays, actually, if you're comparison in junior level, if you're talking about, data scientists are earning more than machine learning engineer. So if you are going to the reaching to the highest positions, that means in senior positions, so both are equally earning. And what is the future of data science? So the future of the data science is everywhere data is producing, that is every company and every organization. So they require to analyze their data, they require to clean the data. So the future is every company needs lots of data scientists. Okay, so this is about the future, and in coming 50 years we require lot many data scientists. So it is the required field to learn. Every person need to learn about the data science. I hope this session will be fruitful for you. Let us meet in the next session. Till then, happy learning. Goodbye.